If you've been searching for an easy way to transfer your existing project lists, spreadsheets, or task trackers into Monday.com, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the most effective way to bulk import your data from Excel or Google Sheets straight into Monday.com. And by the end, you'll have a brand new, fully interactive Monday.com board built from your old data. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to prep your data to make sure the import goes smoothly. Open your spreadsheet and take a close look at the columns. Your sheet absolutely needs a clear header row. Think of this as the roadmap that tells Monday.com what kind of info you're importing and how it should be organized. Those headers should be text only, like task name or deadline or priority. Avoid using special characters or mixing in numbers here, since Monday.com relies on these labels to set up its columns correctly. Now, one detail that trips people up. Monday.com will only pull data from the first tab of your Excel workbook when you import. So, if you've got multiple project sheets or a bunch of tabs, you'll want to make sure everything you want to import lives on the very first tab. You can always copy and paste items into that tab. Just double-check it's the one you're uploading. Also, double-check that each column in your spreadsheet matches the type of data you want in Monday.com. For example, if you have a date column, make sure all the entries are actually proper dates, not strings of text or random notes. This matters because Monday.com needs to know if a column should become a date, a text, a status, and so on. If your status column just says done, in progress, etc., great, that'll import cleanly. It's worth taking a few extra minutes here to spot errors, fix any inconsistencies, and make the data migration as seamless as possible. Alright, once your sheet's ready, it's time to bring it into Monday.com as a brand new board, which is perfect if you're launching a new project or transitioning all your data over for the first time. From your Monday.com workspace, look at the top right corner and click either the plus add button or your profile picture. In the drop-down menu, select Import Data. This opens up Monday.com's import wizard, which guides you through the rest. Next, you'll choose your file type. Select either Excel if you've got an XLSX file, or Google Sheets if you're working out of Google Drive. Then click to upload your file or browse your computer to find it. If your file is large, don't worry. The upload might take a moment. Once you've uploaded your file, Monday.com will automatically scan and analyze the structure of your spreadsheet. And here's where things get a little interactive. You'll be prompted to map each column from your spreadsheet to the right column type in Monday.com. So, if you have a deadline column, you'll want to map it to a date column. If you have a person responsible, map it to a people column, and so forth. This step is really important for keeping your data organized and functional once it's inside Monday.com. Take your time here. If you're unsure which column type to use, Monday.com offers helpful hints along the way. When everything looks right, click Create Board. Your spreadsheet will be instantly transformed into a dynamic, fully functional Monday.com board. You can now use all the platform's features to track, collaborate, and automate your work, unlocking a ton of new possibilities compared to static spreadsheets. And that's it. You've just taken your old data and given it a fresh start inside Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and leave a comment below if you have any questions about the import process or run into any tricky spots. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Monday.com tips and workflows. I'm here to help you get the most from your tools. Thanks so much for watching and happy organizing.